Arm sideward. Yeah, very good. So, okay kids, let's start. My name is Ate Jo, your host for today together with Ate Marie. And let's all welcome our very old pink squirrel na si Lala Chan. Say hi to Lala Chan, kids. Ayan, very good. Okay, so ayan. Bago tayo mag-games, mag-warm up dance muna tayo. Okay po ba yun, kids? Ayan, may tuturo si Lala Chan na 2 basic steps. Okay, ano yung Lala Chan? Twist daw, kids. Twist, twist, and clap. Okay, one more. Twist, and clap. Okay? Step to Lala Chan. Ano yun? Point to the left and point to the right. Okay po, naintindihan, kids? Alright, okay, Ate Marie, music please. Okay, get ready, kids. Everybody clap your hands. Go.
It's time to begin.
Okay, there, jump. And shake. Okay, very good. One more time. Last one. And point. Sa kabila naman. Very good. Okay, everybody count. Ayan, nagagaling mag-dance. Other side. Okay, one more. Ito pa. Wow, and shake. Kabila naman. Alright, point. Very good. Okay, then jump. Very good, kids. So, okay. Ang games po natin today, kids, is hula hoop. Okay, my best buddy. Hula hoop? Okay. Okay, kids, ang games po natin is hula hoop relay. Okay? Okay, kids, form a two groups. Ayan, boys versus girls na lang. Ayan. Okay, kids, makinig po sa ating game mechanics. Eto kayo, ate. Kulang ng isa. Aboy, long hair. Ayan nga eh. Wala pa kayo na isa. Okay, dalawang ikot. Yung isang babae dito. Okay, kids. So, ang laro po natin today is hula hoop relay. I-demonstrate kay Ate Marie. Okay, kita kay Ate Marie. Kukunin po yung hula hoop. Ayan, hawakan ng maigi, kids, ha. Kailangan di po siya malalaglag. Okay? Then, walk faster lang po. No running. Okay? Then, ipapasa sa sunod. Naintindihan po ba? Then, do the high five. Naintindihan, kids? Okay, let's go! Ready? Round 1! Team A and Team B, are you ready, kids? Yes! Okay! In 3, 2, 1, go! Yan, hawak po sa ulog, then ikot. Walk faster lang po. Ayan, ikot sa may cone. Ikot, then pasa sa kasunod. Pasa ba eh? Ayan, pasa! Okay, next! Ikaw na, ate, your turn. Then, hawak po. Hawak sa hula hoop. Go! Walk faster! Ayan, very good ang Team B. Okay, go Team B! Go Team A! Go, ate, one more. Ikot pa ng isa. One more. Ayan, ikot. Very good. Then, pasa. Let's go. Okay, finish na ang Team B. Ang bilis. Okay, so ayan, may 1 point na ang Team B. Okay, let's proceed to the round 2. Okay, ready? Ikaw naman, ate, yung next. Ako una. Okay, ready? Round 2. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ikot sa cone. Ikot. Ayan, ikot tayo. Come on, faster. Ayan, pasa. Okay, pasa. Go! Very good! Ayan, ang bilis ng Team B. One more time. Ikot pa ikaw, ate. Ikot pa ikaw. Ikot pa. Go! Ikot! Okay, last one! Kamusta kayo? Okay, finish na ang Team A. May 1 point na rin po sila. Oh, so, ayun. All one. Okay, let's proceed to the last round. Okay, last round. Ready? Team A and Team B, are you ready, kids? Okay, 3. Hawak sa hula hoop. And hawak. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Ikat! Faster! Ayan, ikat! Ayan, very good. Ayan, pasa, pasa! Pasa! Go, ate, go, go, go! Faster! Ayan. Go, pasa! Siya naman, last one. Go, ikat ate! Go! Go, go, go! Ayan, last one sa Team B! Yay! Okay, finish! Ayan, panalo na ating Team B sa last round. Sila yung may 2 points na. Congratulations, Team B! You are the winner for today. So, ayun kids, let's go Lala Chas. Okay, Team A, dahil very good ang ating Team B, let's give them a 5 claps. Let's say very good. Let's start 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, Team B, dahil ginawa naman lahat ng best ng ating Team A, Lala Chan, let's give them a 3 claps. They'll say good job. Let's start 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, kids, dito mo tayo ulit sa harap ni Lala Chan para ibigay niya po later ang kanyang surprise. Ready na ba kayo sa surprise ni Lala Chan? Pero before that, magla-last dance po muna tayo. Come on. Then, everybody arm sideward. Ayan, come on, kuya, lapit ka po dito. Okay, Ate Marie, one more time. Everybody ready? Raise your hand. Very good. Then, slowly down. Ayan, everybody jump, 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 and march. Jump, jump, side, side, and march. Okay, one more jump. Jump, and march. Jump, jump, side, side, and sleeping time. Ayan, sleeping time. Very good. Then, shake your hands. And make a wave. Wave. Other side. Touch your shoulder. And head. And jump. Big wave. And circle. Make a circle.
With your hands in the sky.
And fish. Fish.
Be brave.
Ayan, very good. And march.
Be happy and smile and jump.
And big wave. And moshi moshi. Other side.
Never feel so frightened.
Point right.
My friend, I wanted to cheer you up.
Continuous.
Kindness is
And cross arm. Okay, everybody turn
The
around.
world of banner play.
And jump, 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 and march. Jump, jump, side, side, and march. Okay, one more jump. And march. Jump, jump, side, side, there's a living child. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Hooray! Okay, kids, very good. Everybody sit down on the floor po. Ayan na po ang ating surprise ni Lala Chan. Sit down po. Okay, kids, ready? Pag nag-song si ate ng 3, 2, 1, sigaw po kayo ng surprise. Okay? Practice, kids. In 3, 2, 1. Surprise. Sigaw po kayo ng surprise, okay? Ready? Last one. In 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Wow! Okay. Wait lang. Kids, sit down po. Yeah, sit down. So, ayun po mga miss, parents and guardians, ready na lang po na ating mga camera po for our group picture. Okay, kids, may papagawa lang si ate. Pag sinabi ni ate Kidzuna, you shout, hooray! Okay, practice in 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna. Hooray! Tingin kayo sa camera then wave your balloons then smile. Okay? One more time. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna. Hooray! Okay, kids, thank you for joining us today. Hope to see you tomorrow then. It's time to say goodbye to Lala Chan. Okay, kids, sa lahat po ng gusto magpa-picture kay Lala Chan, dito na lang po tayo sa